This is the HG Odour Eliminator spray, which you picked up from the shop team. This is for all surfaces, so you can use it on fabrics, floors, pretty much every surface. The way you do it is you spray it or leave it on for 30 minutes, which will naturally start attacking the bacteria that leaves the smells. And all you do is you spray it, you leave it on between half an hour and a few hours. The smell should disappear, but you do need to spray it as much as you can on the source of the smell because the product will destroy that bacteria to eliminate the smell. You don't need to rinse it off either, so you can use it on things like sofas, curtains, and carpets. The closer you get to the source of the smell, the more effective it's going to be. And also removing anything that could be like a source directly. So, for example, if you've had animal mess, you need to clean up as much as you can and then apply this to remove the smell. We also use HG for our bathroom mold cleaner, which does a very good job, and also for mildew buildup as well. So we know HG are a really fab brand. You've got the pump head there, so it's going to be nice and simple to use with the lockable head, just for a little bit more safety. We're excited about getting rid of the smells. We have an issue with animal smell at the moment due to a little home invasion. This is going to be really good.